These are the golden cypress trees. These lovely branches hide amongst themselves a dark story. Do you want to know that? This is Mr. Silverbill. He just arrived to the golden cypresses. This is Lady Silverbill. She too follows him to the other golden cypresses. Somewhere, a Lady Cinnamon is giving out plaintive calls. The Silverbills don't build a nest, they are brood parasites, they lay eggs in someone's nest. Lady Silverbill is looking for such a nesting site. In the golden cypress branches there is an abandoned cinnamon spice nest. Lady Silverbill sights it. She is extremely excited. Mr. Silverbill keeps a watchful lookout in the meanwhile. Lady Silverbill goes inside the branches to finalize the site and lay her eggs. Job done. She comes out after laying her eggs in the nest. In meanwhile, Lady Cinnamon continues giving out her plaintive calls. Mr. Silverbill keeps watch for some time and then they both fly away.
But why is this Lady Cinnamon making plaintive calls?
A few weeks back, the Cinnamons too had arrived at the golden cypresses.
Seeing this lovely sight, they had a discussion on approving it for the nest.
Lady Cinnamon had painstakingly built the nest, while Mr. Cinnamon kept a watch. Lady Cinnamon had excitedly waited for eggs to hatch. As Mr. Cinnamon kept regular watch, they has eagerly waited for eggs to hatch. One day something dark and sinister was at the site in the absence of the Cinnamons. And when they come back from their food hunt, something seemed different.
The nest was empty. The eggs were gone. Their eggs were gone. Their little world was shaken.
While they were building nests, someone else was also watching. The great tree ate the eggs from the nest in their absence.
Lady Cinnamon was heartbroken at this loss.
Mr. Cinnamon was equally sad. As days passed by, Lady Cinnamon became more sad.
She now just sat on the branches and gave out plaintive calls. Mr. Silverbill is keeping a watch for predators. One day when Silverbills return from their food hunt, everything looks quiet.
The nest was empty. They looked around, but their eggs were gone. They could not see anybody nearby. They were confused, but there were no eggs.
The nest was empty. The eggs were gone. The grey tree had been at it again. He had eaten the eggs of the Silverbills while they were away. The Cinnamons and the Silverbills returned every morning and grew the loss of their eggs. The mating season over. The Cinnamons and Silverbills have gone. But the golden cypresses hide among themselves these sad stories.